Hey, thank you for watching our latest BVEssentials YouTube video. As usual, change your settings so you've got 720 HD for best viewing. Okay, this video explains how to set up the emailing in BVEssentials. So first of all, go into Tools and Company Setup and choose on the selection, choose Email. And to start with, it's set as default email program. This means that any emailing that's done from within our system will use whatever your default email set up. So if you're using Outlook, it'll automatically be sent through your Outlook sent items. The problem is with Outlook and Windows 7 is that more and more security problems are being introduced, so that Microsoft's tightening down on it. So to try and get through that email system is getting tougher. And today with Outlook 64 and Windows 7 64. At this point, it's not possible. So what we've done is we've allowed you to now turn on email in BVEssentials. So if you turn that on, it's using your settings from your email. So you first of all put in your SMTP server name. You put in your username, so whatever it happens to be for your email, and you put in your password. And then if you're using systems like Gmail to support your email, you would set it to TLS for the encryption. It'll automatically put the 587 in here, which is normal for Gmail, but you can override that to something different as well. Okay, then you put your display name, so whatever name you want to show on who this is from from your email. And you put your email address in. And then if you want it to send you a copy of each email that it sends, and because you're not using your send times anymore, it's a good idea because you get a copy of each of the emails that get sent through the system. And then again, whatever your reply address is. So once that all set up, that is a company setting, and so that means that each user will use these same settings. So should only be used for a very generic email address like info or something like that. So now to personalize your own, or each of your users' email addresses, you now go into the user, down at the bottom to email. If you leave it set at company default, it will use the email system within the company setup. If you set it to default email program, it will use your default email program, like your Outlook. And then if you set BVEssentials, you would now put in your information for your own email. So again, the SMTP server, your username, a password, the encryption again, display name, your email address again, both places, and then if you want a BCC copy of that as well. So now all emails that you send will come from this address and be BCC'd back to you. And that's it.